food.
It's Corey.
You know what happened last time I did?
Right. She wants to eat. Right.
Oh yeah, your mom.
And then she was like, oh my God, I didn't qualify. How long is this going for? It's on
Like a movie?
Yeah.
It could go for like ever.
Kirsten. Hey, Kirsten. Hey, Kirsten. Serious face, everybody. Okay, serious face. Man, you serious face, come on. Better than Corey's. Good at Corey's. Sorry. I did it. No, I'm laughing. Kirsten? Wait, hold on, I got the apple.
Kirsten. I don't like you. I don't. I'm serious. Like, serious face. I do not like you. Not. This is what this. Are you not recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
What are you doing?
I'm doing another video.
That just happened. That.
She's farting.
That hurt.
In the ball. Okay, I guess I'm not doing that anymore.
Imagine yourself with the pink bow in her hair.
Oh, don't even! No, I'm not! No, I actually did that.
Apple.
I'm gonna ask you a few questions because you know what? You are a big dude in trouble. You are a big dude in trouble. Okay, ready? Okay. First question, what's your favorite color?
I'm gonna have to go with pink.
Wrong! Okay, what hand do you hold the cup in while you're driving?
Dude, say left.
No, dude, the answer's right. I knew this one. I wrote it down on my hand. Okay, I'm gonna go with the answer right. You're right.
Okay, you're embarrassing yourself. Corey, what is your favorite color?
Yeah, exactly. Red.
Wrong.
Right.
Yes, exactly. What are we talking about, Maggie?
Talk about pathetic, insecure your life is.
Just you're up here.
Okay.
You're up here.
Let's bring you back down here.
How far are you zoomed in for? No, okay, we're gonna make it.
Wait. Shut up. We're still recording, bud.
Yeah, we've been recording for the past 4 minutes now.
No, erase that video and we're gonna make one more. Listen to me!
I'm sorry.
Are you ready?
She's
It's a really funny video. Alright, Jen was the best at it. Me and Nicole, Nicole was in the closet, me and Jen, Jen had the camera and we opened the door. Listen to me! Jen had the camera, we open it up and we turn on the light. And she goes, we scream, and she shows me, and I'm like, and then she turns around, and she's like, and she like stands there for like 15 minutes, and she turns, the light turns on, and then she opens it again. I'm on. We're both dead. It's like a horror movie. Then Jen turns the camera towards her. She turns it back, and she goes like, out of the door. Maggie!
Oh, sorry about that.
You got me yawning.
Yeah, can we just stop the video and like watch it?
Why wouldn't you want to
wait, this is gonna be a good one. This is a good one. This one, oh yeah, it's way up there. I just gotta keep going for it.
Maggie.
What? Oh, this is getting good too. There's
I'm tired. Can I take a nap?
No.
Are you? No, you're not.
Good.
Oh my god!
Give me that. Give me it.